like all of us, like the rest, I'm very happy. And above all, yung nangingibabaw na feeling sa akin ngayon is super blessed. Kasi out of all people, natira kaming apat dito, I feel like one of the luckiest people on earth na hanggang ngayon nandito pa rin. And the best part is, nararamdaman mo na natupad yung mga pangarap ng mga friends mo, which is the best thing. Si Edward masaya, si Yong may pera na para sa pamilya niya. And then si Ate Maymay natupad niya yung pinakapangarap niya sa buhay niya. So that's the best feeling ever. Yung masaya ka para sa sarili mo, pero masaya ka rin sa naraabot ng iba.
What's your feeling at this point? Coming out of the house for just a couple of hours.
Wow, sobrang saya po kasi yun po, pinapangarap ko din po yung mga pasok sa PBB. Dito po ngayon, nakasali po ako sa Big 3 and sa Big 4. Sobrang saya po kasi po dati, parang hindi ko po akalain na nandito po ako ngayon sa kaharap niyo po. Saka marami pong camera. Nahihiyak po ako. Pero sobrang saya ko po kasi yun po, yung pangarap ko yun po natutuloy na po.
I the great night. Okay, ang susunod na tatanong ay hindi rin sumuko at pinilit bumangon ng iba kundi si Julian.
Wow!
Sa inyong apat, ang PBB kasi nagiging paraan para sa mga tao na makapasok sa showbiz. So sa inyong apat ngayon, with this opportunity, anong gusto nyo maabot in terms of a showbiz career? Anong gusto nyo gawin? Like, gusto nyo bang umarte, kumanta, sumayaw, maging beauty queen, or what? So, let's start tayo kay Edward.
Although at the moment I'm really not sure what's gonna happen for the.
No, but personally, what do you want to do?
Alright, for me, it always has, always will be acting. It's always, when I came in, I didn't really know what I was gonna do if I got here. I didn't know, because I didn't sing, I didn't like sing. I just felt uncomfortable. Acting was the thing that I always actually enjoyed. Even if it was hard, I would enjoy it. So when whatever happens, when I continue, that's definitely the path I'm gonna go down.
Bye.
Yeah, siguro po rin ibibigay, itatry ko po talaga. Example, yung magkanta, mag-compose, tapos tinry ko din yung yung live drama, yung acting. Kung ano po talaga ibibigay ko rin yung best ko. Pero yun, kapag itatry ko kasi lahat po, doon mo talaga malalaman kung saan ka talaga mas excel ka.
Thank you. Thank you. Sa akin naman, also kung ano ibibigay, I will accept it. Pero personally, I would really like na umarte po. Kasi kung inaalala ko yung mga past months bago ako pumasok sa PBB, most of those times na spend ko auditioning. So, sobrang overwhelmed ako nung nakapasok ako sa PBB kasi yun lang yung audition na ever napasukan ko. Sa lahat ng teleserye na na-auditionan ko. And so, now na meron kaming napakagandang opportunity na to, I would really like to pursue acting. Pero, yung mapapromise ko sa sarili ko ngayon is na I will not want it as much as I can work hard for it. Kasi gusto ko, I will work hard for it talaga. Kasi yung nasabi ni Direk Rory sa amin, yung pagiging artista, hindi siya madaling trabaho. You really need to work hard for it. So, kailangan, mas may ibabaw yung desire mo na mag-work hard for it rather than gugustuhin mo siya. So, after this interviews, I will probably work na agad sa pag-aral na umarte. Kasi it's really something I've been wanting to do since bata pa ako. And I'm so happy na I'm on my way to it.
Ako naman po, siguro kung ano na, parehas lang po kami kung ano man po ibigay sa amin. Ibibigay din po namin yung best namin lahat. Saka ako din po, siguro yung sinalagyan ko po, dancing, singing, acting po. Nakatry lang po sa loob ng PBB. First time. Siguro ang saya po, maranasan ko yung acting drama. Pero kung ibibigay sa amin yung acting, tatanggapin ko. Ayun lang po.
Okay, our next question will come from Jane Lopez of Star Studio Magazine.
Hello guys, congratulations sa inyo. First question ko, if there's one thing na meron kayong gustong balikan na experience nyo sa bahay ni Kuya, ano yun at bakit?
Let's start with yung for change. Kung meron kang gustong
balikan sa
experience mo sa bahay.
Siguro yung magsasama namin lahat ng housemates. Kasi lahat ng housemates. Kasi every kasama ko sila sobrang saya ko. Parang hindi mo naisip yung iniisip mo lang sila ng kasama. Kaya yun po, parang happy po ako, enjoy kung sila po yung kasama ko.
Of course, I would like to choose happy memories. That's a safe choice for me. Pero kung tatanungin ko talaga yung loob-loob ko, feeling ko yung gusto ko talagang balikan is yung pinaka natakot ako, which is yung truth or lie. I was so scared. Nung nalaman ko na may truth or lie, I was scared not because may tinatago ako, pero I was so scared na to be judged by people. Sobrang takot ko yun na ma-criticize. Pero yun yung gustong gusto kong balikan kasi doon ako nag-decide na okay, kailangan ko i-brush away yung fear na meron sa akin and face it. So, feeling ko yun yung pinaka malaking nagawa ko sa buhay ko, yung harapin yung takot ko. So, sabi ko, sige, truth or lie, game. E di mag-truth or lie tayo. Kaya, yun po yung naging isa sa ayun po talaga yung pinaka gusto kong balikan. Kasi, I want to remind myself always na face your fear and always be true to yourself.
At marami kang napahanga. Diba? Dahil sa pagiging brave mo sa pagharap sa task na yun. Okay?
Yes, big brother.
Siguro kung may babalikan po ako siguro yung si Enrique Hill. Hindi, siguro yung isa sa pinaka-happiest moment ko talaga. Kasi everyday talaga ang mga nangyayari dun sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, talagang memorable and everything. Tapos, siguro doon po sa live drama po. Kasi, gusto ko lang, kasi hindi ako makapaniwala na makakapag-acting ako. Nag-acting ako ng elementary lang man yun. Tsaka si Kanya High School, tapos monolog ng konti. Tapos, hindi ko akalain na sa puntong yun, magagawa ko rin palang umarte. Magagawa ko rin yung bagay na hindi ko akalain magagawa ko. Ang gusto ko lang balikan yun kasi ang sarap lang ng feeling na nagawa mo yung bagay na talagang kasi isa din sa kinakatak na yung mag-acting. Paano man ganito, ganyan, may camera dito na, wala man, alam mo dyan. Pero kasi, dahil sa mga sinasabi ni Direk Rory at saka yung mga tao na sa paligid ko, na puro positibo talaga, nagawa ko yung isang bagay na hindi ko akalain magagawa ko. Kaya masarap yun sa piling talaga. Sobra-sobra, yan pa.
May nag-text si Enrique. Congratulations.
I love you, Dad!
For me, it's also gonna be the live drama, like my mind, because that for me was other than the big night. That was for me was the biggest achievement I've ever had in my life. That is the task out of all the tasks that Kuya ever gave us. That was the one I worked the hardest on. The script that we had, if you see it, it's like there's notes everywhere. I worked on most school projects. And it was scary. I woke up on some days, I was like, I sort of didn't want to do it because I was so scared. But like there were things in the live drama I didn't know how to do. I had to be drunk. I've never been drunk before. I don't drink. Pero I learned from the older housemates. So and especially to work side by side with the fellow housemates. It's easier than working with people you don't know because we all gel together really quickly, have good chemistry, and especially one of the best things working with the Naguri is she got us to do things that I personally never thought I could do. So audition, so live drama, so that was the hardest challenge and the most satisfying. So I loved it.
Question na lang for Maymay. Ano sa tingin mo yung mga qualities na hinangaan sa'yo ng mga supporters kaya ikaw yung ginawa nilang movie?
Ano sabi mo? Kung baliw ako, nasa mental ako. Siguro po, pagtungtong ko talaga, inisip ko na at isinasa puso ko na lahat gagawin ko, makamit ko na yung pangarap ko at may pakita sa buong mundo kung ano yung kakayahang meron ako. Na may pakita sa kanila na kaya ko. At kung makakayanin ko at makakamit ko yung pangarap ko, kaya din nila. Yun pa.